Last summer, Russia unveiled a mock-up of the Su-75, a multi-purpose fighter bomber designed to compete in the global market, but only if it receives enough foreign orders to fund its production. Rostec, Russia's government arms production organization, is pitching it to any country willing to listen. Russian Deputy Prime Minister YURY BORISOV claims an anchor customer but does not name it, and says it will be marketed to African countries, Vietnam, and India. Sukhoi is developing a fifth-generation futuristic single-engine light tactical advanced aerial combat aircraft called the Su-75 Checkmate. The stealth fighter jet will have high performance and low operating costs per hour. The Checkmate aircraft was first unveiled in July 2021 at the MACH 2021 International Aviation Show in Zhukovsky, Russia. The aircraft made its first overseas appearance at the Dubai Air Show 2021 with a prototype on display. The first flight of the Sukhoi fighter is scheduled for 2023, following the completion of a series of ground tests, with serial production beginning in 2026. The aircraft will be purchased for both the Russian armed forces and for export, with approximately 300 units expected to be produced for export over the next 15 years. Design and features. The aircraft was designed in-house using a supercomputer and modern virtual modeling and digital calculations, resulting in a 5-year testing and building time. The design drew on the scientific and technical groundwork laid down in the development of the export version of the Fu-57E fifth-generation fighter. The onboard systems, cockpit, and other components were derived from the Su-57E aircraft, which reduced costs and increased maintenance efficiency. The aircraft measures 17.5 meters in length and 11.8 meters in wingspan. The fifth-generation onboard equipment OBE of the fighter is designed for high noise immunity. The Su-75 Checkmate aircraft can be launched from difficult high-altitude airfields in any weather. Its open architecture with high adaptability will allow for futuristic aircraft upgrades, as well as the flexibility to create new configurations at low cost. The airframe design facilitates aircraft maintenance and requires fewer personnel for maintenance procedures, which is expected to improve the aircraft's combat readiness. The aircraft will be sold in a single-seater manned version, as well as two-seater optionally manned and unmanned versions. In a networked configuration, the tactical fighter jet will be able to operate in tandem with unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs. It will be able to command small drones that will receive real-time information about the combat situation. Armament. Weapons can be carried by Checkmate aircraft to neutralize enemy command posts and sensitive assets. It has 5 concealed weapons bays, as well as 11 external weapons attachment points. It is capable of carrying a combat payload of 7,400 kilograms. The aircraft is expected to carry both guided and unguided weapons. RVV-MD short-range missile with a range of approximately 40 kilometers and RVV-SD medium-range missile with a range of 110 kilometers will be carried. Precision weapons for ground target destruction are also available for the Su-75 Checkmate combat jet, including the X-38MLE, MTE X-38MLE air-to-surface tactical guided missile with a range of 70 kilometers, the X-58 USHKE anti-radar missile with a range of 245 kilometers, the KH-59MK2 guided missile with a range of 285 kilometers, and Thunder A-1 precision ammunition with a range of 120 kilometers. The aircraft can also use the X-31 PD missile with a range of 250 kilometers and the KH-35UE missile to destroy surface targets such as ships with a range of 260 kilometers. The weapon bays can also hold guided bombs such as the KAB-250LGE, K-08BE, and 029BE, which can be used to destroy ground-based targets from outside the enemy's air defense zone. Missiles from the S-8, S-13 families, as well as 100 kilogram, 250 kilogram, and 500 kilogram bombs are among the unguided weapons that can be carried in the inner compartment. Avionics on board in the Su-75 Checkmate aircraft. The onboard panoramic touchscreen displays provide situational awareness of the route, threats, targets, and system status. To make maintenance easier, the cockpit and onboard equipment have been unified. The aircraft's advanced avionics allow it to perform a variety of combat missions. MATRESHKA, a logistics support system, is installed on the Su-75 Checkmate combat aircraft. The major onboard electronic equipment with artificial intelligence, or AI, reduces the pilot's workload by acting as a co-pilot. pilot. The intelligent support system continuously monitors the health of the aircraft's critical systems. The automated MATRESHKA system lowers operational costs while improving after-sales maintenance efficiency. It employs predictive analytics to detect potential defects, thereby improving fleet readiness and availability. Sensors and radars. The Su-75 Checkmate is outfitted with an advanced multi-band passive detection system that allows it to neutralize the target while remaining undetected. The aircraft is also outfitted with an active phased array radar, APAR, which allows it to track targets even in areas with high electronic interference. The radar allows the aircraft to attack and track up to 6 aerial targets at the same time. The KOEPS-75 optoelectronic sighting system, designed and developed by Russian firm SLYUSAR, is installed on the Checkmate aircraft. The sighting system is designed to target both aerial and ground-based targets. Engine and performance. The Su-75 Checkmate is powered by a single engine with a thrust rating ranging from 14,500 kgf to 16,000 kgf. The aircraft subsystems are autonomously powered by an auxiliary power unit, or APU, which provides impressive takeoff and landing capabilities due to its high thrust-to-weight ratio, wing elevating features, and reliable thrust-vectored engine. The fighter jet's takeoff and landing distances have been reduced. It can maintain continuous supersonic flight while providing efficient maneuvering capabilities up to 8 Gs. Without an additional fuel tank, the aircraft can reach a top speed of Mach 1.8 or 2,205 kilometers per hour and a range of more than 2,800 kilometers. The new Checkmate 5th generation single-engine fighter will be built at the Komsomolsk-on-Amur aircraft plant named after Gagarin, KNAAZ, a subsidiary of PJSC Sukhoi Company, according to United Aircraft Corporation General Director YURY SLYUSAR on July 28, 2021. The Komsomolsk-on-Amur aviation plant, named after Yuri Alexeyevich Gagarin, is a subsidiary of PJSC company Sukhoi, which is a subsidiary of United Aircraft Corporation. It was established in 1934, and the first reconnaissance aircraft was built there in 1936. Since then, the company has produced over 12,000 military and civilian aircraft. The enterprise's work is focused on the development of 5th generation Su-57 aircraft and Su-35S Generation 4++ multifunctional fighters. The new aircraft's designation was not initially known, though some sources reported Su-75 based on an aircraft with the tail number RF00075 that has 75 written in blue on it. While the new aircraft is similar to the twin-jet Su-57 in some ways, it is not simply a low-volume single-engine Su-57. The canopy and landing gear are very similar to those of its big brother, the Su-57. Many components and systems of the new aircraft would be shared with the Su-57. While the number displayed on the body of the jet at the MACH 2021 hangar fueled speculation that the Checkmate would be designated Su-75, Sukhoi representatives dispelled the rumors, saying that the company considers those numbers lucky because Russian aerospace forces have yet to sign a contract for the new jet. No official designation has been assigned to it. The Su-75 will most likely be the name of the new Russian Checkmate single-engine fighter developed by the state corporation Rostec. DENIS MANTUROV, the Russian Federation's Minister of Industry and Trade, confirmed this in an interview with Ilya Duronov for the RBK TV channel on August 2, 2021. In reality, this is a working title. We will, of course, eventually return to the traditional nomenclature to which we are accustomed. This is most likely the Su-75. That is, if the Su-57's base is used, the Su-75 will follow, he explained. That's all for today, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, press the like button, and also press the bell icon for any new updates. See you in the next one.